Hey guys, in this video we'll be learning how to cut your tiles into a triangle shape. Alright, let's get started. So firstly, come to your customization function and then go into your tiling function. Alright, and then click onto your floor. Okay, click onto the surface where you would like to create. Okay, so right now select tile library. Let's drag one tile out. Okay, so I'll drag this one out. Okay, so there are a few methods of cutting a tiles into a triangle. Alright, so the first one would be a straight line method. Alright, so click on the straight line and then draw a rectangle shape. Okay, and then right click to exit. So right now, as you can see, I already cut my tiles into a triangular shape, so I can drag another tiles onto it. Okay, the next one, okay, let's use the same one. Alright, so the second method is a draw area. Use the polyline function. Alright, so same thing, draw a rectangular shape. Alright, once you're done drawing it, okay, click onto the corner at the edge, the side, right click, transfer it to an area. Okay, as you can see right now, you may put another tiles in also. Alright, so the third method, alright, so the third method, click onto your tiles and then right over here, okay, at these product properties, go to your brick processing, okay, click onto chamfer, alright, chamfer, and then untick the batch edit, okay, and then click onto your chamfer. So over here you may select the edge, alright, the corners where you want to start cutting it. Okay, so if let's say I select this side, alright, so change the radius, so follow according to the size of your tile. So it's 800 by 800, so when I type 800 onto my radius, it actually cuts my tile into a triangular shape. Alright, so guys, this is how you cut your tiles into triangle. Good luck trying, guys.